Hi, I'm Christina and I'm a software developer here at TASKA Prosthetics, and today I'm going to show you how to play the training games. The MyTASKA app offers training games to help you practice and better utilise your TASKA hand. The 3 games we've created each help to train a specific feature of your hand, so be sure to try them all. To play the games, open the sidebar and select Training Games. Here you'll see 3 options: signal separation, signal strength, and proportional control. I'm going to play the signal separation game using our demo hand. To move the ship up, I will send an open signal to the hand, and to move the ship down, I will send a closed signal. We have a score system to see how you're improving, and you can even unlock new ships as you go. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful in getting more out of your TASKA hand and the MyTASKA app. For more information about using MyTASKA, check out our other videos here on YouTube. And for more information about TASKA Prosthetics, check out our website.